Assalamu alaikum dear students. This video is about giving you a brief description of multimedia presentation software that is PowerPoint designed by Microsoft. So multimedia is a combination of text, sound, animation, video, images, etc. Multimedia presentations are used in several different areas and PowerPoint provides the easiest way to create multimedia presentations. So that's why we have selected PowerPoint multimedia presentation software. PowerPoint is a presentation program that allows you to create dynamic slide presentations. You can add animations, images, videos, and much more to your presentation and make it interesting. Now, when you open PowerPoint for the first time, the screen that will appear will be like this. At the left side, there are the pre-designed themes or templates. You can choose any one out of it to create your presentation, or if you don't want to use these themes, you can just go for a blank presentation as well. At the right side, there is a list of the presentations that you have recently created, and if you want to edit any one of them, just click on them and that will be open and you can make changes in that as well. Now, coming to the layout, the PowerPoint uses a tabbed ribbon system instead of the traditional menus. The ribbon contains a lot of tabs and there are many commands under each tab. Similar commands are grouped together, like the commands related to the slides are grouped over here, and the commands that are related to the font, like changing the size, color, making them bold, italic, are all grouped together under this font group. Above this ribbon, there is a quick access toolbar. It contains the commands that you think are more frequently used. Like I have selected the save command, the undo, the redo and start from the beginning option to be displayed in my quick access toolbar. If I uncheck the undo option, it will be disappear from the quick access toolbar. Similarly, unchecking save will also make it disappear from the quick access toolbar. If you want to see them back, just check them again. Now you can bring this quick access toolbar below the ribbon like over here and make it above the ribbon as well. How to hide the ribbon? If you don't want to see these commands and text, you can just click on this arrow and select the auto hide ribbon and it will make the ribbon and commands hidden. If you want to see them back, just click on this option again and select the show tabs and commands option. So it will be shown again on the screen. The quick access toolbar lets you access the common commands no matter which tab is selected because these are above this all ribbon. As an option of ruler, guides and grid under the weave tab. Really need them always, so they are unchecked by default. But if you are trying to add some images or diagrams that needs proper alignment and spacing, you can check it for a temporary basis. Just add your images and diagrams. The guides are the X and Y axis and the grid lines are these small squares appearing on the screen. They will help you align your objects more correctly and more professionally, and when you are done, just uncheck these options. Now you can zoom your presentation down from this plus and minus signs and from this option as well. Just click on the zoom option and select the level at which you want the document to be shown. 60%, and I'll select the 100%. Okay. Now coming to the backstage weave. When you click on this file option, this is the backstage information that will be shown. If you want to protect your presentation with a password, you can click on this option, encrypt with password. Just click on it, give any password, like I'm entering 123, okay. They'll ask again about the password 123, okay. Now this presentation requires a password to open. If you don't want a password, just click on this again, encrypt with the password and make this password an empty one. Now the password is being removed. Now you can check for other issues as well under this option, like inspect a document if there are some hidden properties or personal information that I have clicked it. Before use inspector, make sure you have changed yes, and it will inspect my document. That said that everything is okay except there are some presentation notes and that I have added myself, so I don't want to remove them. just close it. So this is about the main interface and the introduction of the PowerPoint. PowerPoint provides the easiest way to create and edit a multimedia presentation.